Okay, so here are the Main Street Loop 588 number 2 river crossing in Blackey, Kentucky. So the first signal here has a Say-Trend base. The gate mechanism is from Say-Trend gate mechanism. We have a CSX emergency information, so down number is 346-19149W. And the mast lights are Say-Trend 12x24 lights. They were only a dozen. The piece was sold in the 1890s. And the gate lights are Rico LED gate lights, and finally the W.C. Hayes mechanical bell. Right down there is the relay case. I'm gonna go ahead and get to medium here. There's a track, you see, right towards the plants E to serve. Traffic facing west towards Maine, and towards where most of the branch line. Essentially enough, you see around the Sarellion, for it's now present in southern, the Tennessee Southern. The CSX trains go past to Rock Center, actually since crossing the river too. But anyways, here's a second signal. Has another Say-Trend base, another Say-Trend gate mechanism. You have another CSX emergency information, and another match that's Say-Trend 12x24 lights. And we have another Rico LED gate lights. We have another W.C. Hayes mechanical bell. And remember, because the gates are brand new gates, it's the Rico LED gate lights as well. Singer has also come out to this video. Here's a track view right over here, right down there you can see. Right there is going towards the Jeff, Kentucky to the Hazard. And down there is towards the Jeremiah, Isom, and Colson and Roxana. So yeah, I can go back over the side of the road. See, there's those new gates right there. This has to stop at an angle. Let me go over here so you can see the crossing better. So yeah, here we have the Main Street Loop at 588 Railroad Crossing and Blackey, Kentucky. Over and out.